between the groups
Legends of Learning
spaceships.
presents the Space Highway game. This is a math game that makes
Compare
learning about
number of
comparing
objects.
groups by counting fun
Swipe
and easy to
select the
understand.
answer.
In this
Level
informative, instructional game, traffic is building up along
Make
the
a
space
comparison
highway.
between the groups
A
of
traffic
spaceships.
police Mathling needs help directing traffic. Otherwise, spaceships will collide with one another. Some groups of drivers are impatient, and the traffic police Mathling
Level
cannot
2.
control them for too long.
Make a
Help him by
comparison between
organizing the groups of spaceships. In this game by Zapzapmath,
Level
you will count and find the difference
Level
between
3.
different groups of spaceships.
Make
Use
a
the mouse to
comparison
click
between
and
the
select the
groups of
correct
spaceships.
statement that reads either equal to, greater than, or less than to make the math statement true.
Level 4.
Select the correct
comparison
answer
between the groups
before
of
submitting it for checking to see if the spaceships can travel safely. If you answer incorrectly,
Level 4.
you will have to restart the
Level
level. Complete all the levels to win the game.
Make a comparison between the groups of
Use your
spaceships.
knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.